Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I do have a quick unboxing, and it is my Boxycharm add-ons. So it's going to be really quick, but if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And those of you, if this is your first time here, welcome. And I hope after the video, you choose to join us and subscribe and become part of the Wildflower family. Okay, and also before you leave, please hit like if you've enjoyed the video. So without further ado, let's get going. Well, I finally received my Boxycharm add-ons, and they come in like separate shipments, even though they might be separate orders, but they come like, if I ordered like twice, they come like in 4 and 5. I don't know why that is, but so I never know what's in here. Is this my complete order or not? And so let's see. And I don't contact Boxycharm unless after all of my orders come and I'm missing something, because I was missing from my something from my last order, but you never know, they might have dropped it in this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. Like I said, I've not opened it yet, so I totally do not know what's in here. And so hopefully, you know, I mean, everything will be here. The problem is, I say to myself, I'm not going to order add-ons anymore because it's such a headache. But then they have such great deals, so you know what to do, right? So, you know, they got me there. So, okay, when I open the box, it actually comes, full of paper. And so I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper real quick, because last time I noticed when I removed the paper, I made horrendous amount of noise. So I don't want to put you guys through that. So hold on. Okay, guys, I did the best I could because it's like wrapped in paper, not just like sitting on top this time. So of course, it's like this. And so what I'll do is I will start pulling out things one at a time, so that way you can see what's in here, okay? And I'll try to minimize the noise, but I do apologize ahead of time for that, okay? So the first thing I see in here is the, let's see, this is the Earth Harbor, and I've been really liking Earth Harbor products. And so I thought I would try something new, and this one is called a Siren Silk, and it's a hydrating cream, so no, multitasking hydrating cream. So here it is, and I've not tried this yet. I've tried the other, there was a oil, and also there was a, what was it? Oh, the peel, which is like the purple, like jelly-like thing. Yeah, I haven't used it yet though. So yeah, so let's see if I'm going to be able to get in here with my new nails here. So that's really going to be challenging. So yeah, because I don't want to pop them off by accident. Yeah. So in case you didn't see my other video, I did try them. These are press-on nails, and they were really easy to press on. And I put these on like yesterday, and they haven't popped off yet. And I'm pretty rough on my hand, so yeah. So anyway, here is the cream. It comes like this, and here it is. But I'm not gonna open it because I do have a lot of creams going, and I don't think it's gonna have like a, you know, a little seal on these, so I don't want to take a chance. Then it's going to start to expire, because these things are only good for 12 months after they're open, right? So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put it aside for now. And next I have something here, and it is, oh, Cranberry Core. I think this is Natasha Denona. It's her mini palettes, or at least her smaller 5-pan palettes. I'm hoping that's what it is, because I did order that, and I believe that was called Cranberry. And yep, and look how well this comes packaged. And so yeah, and I really like how Natasha Denona packages her stuff, because you know, she doesn't want to take a chance of breaking. So here it is, and it is the 5-pan palette, and it's not the mini palette, but the 5-pan palette. There is a difference in size between those. So let me get into this. Okay, here we go. This is the 5-pan palette. So beautiful. It is called Cranberry, and this is one that I've been wanting because I don't know where these colors come from. But these I'm sure come from our larger palettes, but they're usually not duplicates. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. So that's that. And next, here is something here. It says Sheer Peachy Nude, and this is wrapped up pretty good. So let's see what this is. And, wow, okay. Oh, again, Natasha Denona. This is the blush duo, and this is the peach one. And, yeah, and this is, I'm on a low buy when it comes to blush and highlighter, but these were really in good price. And here it is. And I do have her other one here. And these actually are the type of colors that I use. So definitely will come in handy for springtime because I don't have this, you know, this peachy type of tone. I do have them with metallics in there, but not exactly like this. So that's that. Okay, that's that. And next I will go for the, again, is this Natasha Denona? It's this Coral Pink Daria. And because I'm just saying, could it be Natasha Denona? Because her stuff seems to be the only one that's really packaged well like this. And it is. Okay, yep. And here it is. It's the Diamond and Blush kit here. And these, you guys, if you guys didn't get it, you guys should get it because these were really inexpensive. It's like it's like 80% off of what, you know, she sells it for normally. So this one is called a Daria, D-A-Y-R-A. And let me show you what this looks like. Okay, here's what the container looks like. And you open it like this, and wow, this is a huge mirror. And here we go. And this is actually very, very beautiful. And up here, I believe, is the liquid or cream to, yep, this is a cream. The top section here is cream to powder. This is the reason why it's under here like this, so that way it can protect it from air most of the time. So that's that. And I do not have this one, and so this is really pretty. I'm so glad I got this. And next it looks like I have another Natasha Denona, and this is again a 5-pan palette. And let's see what this one is. It says eyeshadow palette 5, but there's no name to it. Here it is right here. And yeah, I've been really enjoying the smaller palettes because they're really, I mean, it takes the guesswork out and it makes it really nice. Okay, this is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got it. Anything that says Natasha Denona on it, I pretty much try to get if I don't have it because I'm never dissatisfied. But look at this. I mean, these are some really beautiful colors. They do look a little bit fallish, but I mean, this color here, it definitely could be, you know, spring and summer. So I'm really looking forward to making some looks with these. Yeah, these are beautiful. And there's 3 more things in here. The last thing by Natasha Denona is here. I believe this may be a lip, right? Yep, it's called Bear. And this is actually, she calls this a Mark Your Liquid Lips. Liquid lipstick and matte. And it is matte. And so, and I don't know if you noticed this lipstick I'm wearing today. It's by Pat McGrath, and it is her new lip luster matte, and I really, really do like it. So I've been really loving you know, matte lipsticks in liquid form, and here it is. And so I'll probably go ahead and put this one away until I finish with my Pat McGrath one because it is very similar, I think. Let's see. Not too similar, but similar enough, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put this one away until I finish with that one. And, you know, it's one that I know I'll use because it could stand underneath the mask and not rub off. So that's the good thing. So, and I also ate with it. And yeah, seems to be here still. So great. So, okay, the last two is actually both by Huda Beauty. And these are the small palettes. And I know we received one in the, what was it? Was it IPSY or Boxycharm? It was Boxycharm. It definitely was. And I received the color that I didn't really care for, the pastels. I think I got the pastel greens or something like that. And I'm not really into that. So I wanted the lilac or the rose. So I got ahead and ordered them. And so, yeah, let me see if I can get into it to show you real quick. Okay, here is the mirror. It comes with the mirror. And here is the lilac or, yeah, the pastel lilac. And so this is very beautiful. Definitely my, you know, my cup of tea. Definitely, yeah. Or what is it that they say now? It's my jam. Yeah. Okay. My cup of tea. So that's that. And also the last one is rose, and this is pastel rose. And again, this is kind of very similar to the other one, but this is a little bit rosier. And what it is I like the pastels, and especially during the day, springtime. So I was thinking spring, and I mean, look at this. I mean, if this doesn't scream spring, I don't know what does. And so yeah, that's that. So I think that's it, guys. That was my add-ons, and I am still missing one thing from my original add-on. So it looks like I'm gonna have to probably write them and say, hey, you know, what gives? Where is it? So yep, that's that. And I'm trying to remember what that was, but that's okay. Yeah, I can just simply write to them and let them know, and they're usually pretty good, or they don't have any more, and so they'll have to refund me. That's usually how it goes, and which is not ideal, but it is what it is, right? So I'm not gonna sweat the small stuff. So alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. And if I added any value, please give it a like. And those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell button so that way you'll know every time I upload a video. And so, everybody, please have a good day, good evening, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.